hot topics. The following are the top 5 audit failures identified by the VBA Auditing Department. Number 1. Heated water at the fixture outlets not delivered at the appropriate temperature. Number 2. Unsatisfactory drainage installation in unstable ground. Number 3. The use of unacceptable insulation materials surrounding the hot water pipework. Number 4. Appropriate backflow prevention devices were not installed. And number 5. The use of unapproved components. Frequently asked questions. When am I required to install a temperature control device? Under the Heated Water Standard, AS/NZS 3500 Part 4, a tempering valve is required on all new heated water installations. It is deemed to be a new heated water installation when a practitioner either 1. Installs a hot water unit and hot water piping, or 2. Installs new hot water piping alone. For example, the changeover of a hot water unit from an old gravity-fed unit to a new outdoor hot water unit will require a temperature control device, because the changeover incorporates relocation of the unit to a new position, which requires alteration to the hot water piping. What do I do in reactive soils? What are practitioners required to do when laying drains in reactive soils or unstable or water-charged ground? In response to issues experienced in recent years with drains laid in reactive soils, the VBA has updated Technical Solution Sheet 3.06 to reflect the changes made last year to AS/NZS 3500 Part 2 Clause 5.6. When working in reactive soils, practitioners must be aware of the on-site soil classification. The most convenient way to demonstrate this is to produce a soil classification report. Practitioners are also required to demonstrate that they have designed their drainage system to withstand the soil conditions on site. Practitioners will be asked to produce written designs to demonstrate that their design is appropriate for the soil conditions. Copies of the Technical Solution Sheet are available for free download from the VBA website. What is required for eaves gutter overflow? Every eaves gutter installation is required to have overflow provisions. This is covered by the standard as well as being called for by the performance requirements. Practitioners are given a range of compliance options within Appendix G of 3500 Part 3. If a practitioner wishes to install an alternative design to those contained in Appendix G, then they must prepare a performance solution in accordance with the requirements as we discussed earlier.